If pop-ups are interrupting your browsing experience in Mozilla Firefox, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove pop-ups on Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix that can make your browsing smoother, cleaner, and a lot less annoying. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the menu button. It has 3 horizontal lines, and that's where a lot of Firefox's important settings are stored. Click that menu button to open the main menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to Firefox's main settings page, where you can control privacy, security, permissions, and other browser features. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Permissions and Data. This is where Firefox keeps options related to website behavior and browsing controls. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects. This is the key setting that helps stop unwanted pop-ups from appearing while you browse. Tick that box to turn it on. Once it's enabled, Firefox will start blocking a lot of those annoying extra windows and redirects that can interrupt your workflow or clutter your screen. That's really all there is to it. With this setting switched on, your Firefox browser will be much better protected against distracting pop-ups, and you should notice a cleaner browsing experience right away. If you still see pop-ups on certain websites, some pages may have their own built-in prompts, but this setting is the first and most important step to reduce them. So just to recap, click the menu button in the top right, go to Settings, open Permissions and Data, scroll down, and tick Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects. That's how you remove pop-ups on Mozilla Firefox quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.